Let's get back to the macros. Not very much in terms of stock moving news today. The macros, of course, continue to be a big point of debate, especially going into next year. Question is, what would growth look like? What is the impression that's building up on the government's reform measures? They have done a fair amount. You have to give them credit. In a very, very short time, Mr. P. Chidambaram has managed to get things moving. How's the industry seeing it? Naina Lal Kidwai spoke to my colleague Arijit Banerjee with her impressions on how things are playing out.
Hello and welcome to the show. Today we have with us Naina Lal Kidwai, whom we have known, of course, as the person heading HSBC's India operations, but who is also now wearing a new hat, which is president of FICCI. Ms. Kidwai, welcome to the show. You have taken over, of course, as the president at a time when there is a lot of strife within the industry. The economy seems to be slowing down. Investments are drying up. So when you look at it, what are the biggest challenges before corporate India today?
Well, I think I've taken over as now just a few days ago at a very exciting time, because what I have the advantage of being able to discuss and talk about are a number of reforms which we have waited for a long, long time. So retail FDI sort of set the pace, and we have, in what was a tremendous showing by Parliament, sitting late, clearing the bills through active discussion, both on the companies bill and the banking bill. And I think if this is what the new working of Parliament is about, it's about engagement, it's about discussion, it is about the ruling party accepting that there are certain things that they will amend with a view to letting the bill go forward, active debate and business getting done in Parliament, then I'm proud to be in this position today, because it is really a harbinger of good things to come. And you can feel it in the sentiment today. There is, at the worst, I would call it cautious optimism. At the best, I would like to believe we are tilting back to a mood which is indeed almost euphoric that finally India is back on the go. And it's reflected in the way our stock markets have responded. It's reflected in the way industry is talking. Certain indices which I watch quite closely, like the Purchasing Managers Index, have begun to move up, and what that indicates is that there is purchasing happening at the corporate level through their supply chains, suggesting that there is a change in that trajectory. And recent studies are also showing that corporate India is not a uniformly bust story. There are sectors which have clearly suffered. Sectors like power, infrastructure, these are areas which have had a really bad year, but we're seeing the return of brownfield projects. So as in projects which were stuck and now beginning to move ahead. And I think some of the initiatives there again through the Cabinet Committee on Investment are very important to clear the log jams, which are often of an interministerial nature. Coal into power, into the state level distribution structures, and they need resolution by everybody sitting at the table and developing that consensus.
All right, that's Naina Lal Kidwai sounding hopeful going into next year, and that's the best you can be hopeful that some of the traction you've seen in the later half of this year will follow through and translate into actually better macroeconomic numbers as well. Let's step into a quick break. We'll come